In this video, we're going to go over the basics of the fillet function in Zoo Design Studio. So what is a fillet for? A fillet can be used for many different reasons, but one of the most common is to fillet the corners or edges of parts, especially ones that are made out of metal, to make sure that they don't cut you so that you don't injure yourself. It's more of a safety precaution. So to get started, I'm going to create a very basic cube. Actually, you know what? Let's create something more fun. This is something. I will extrude it up by, let's say, 300 millimeters. And here is my part. Now to do a fillet, you're going to go up here to fillet in the command bar. And you can select multiple edges. I'm holding shift. That's really important, is that you hold shift if you're going to do multiple edges. I'll continue and do a radius of, let's say, 30 millimeters and confirm. And that is how you create a fillet. Now I'm going to show you how to do that in KCL. So first, let's open up the KCL code pane. And some things that you may notice right off the bat are these segments, or these like seg 01, 02 after the fillet. And these are really, really important when it comes to using KCL, because how do you define what edge you want to fillet? Well, we're going to use these tags in order to tell the system which edge we specifically want to fillet. So here we have segment 4, 3, 2, and 1, and those were automatically generated when I was doing the clicking earlier. Once I did that fillet command, it automatically said it assigned segment 1, 2, 3, and 4. And notice this function get common edge. If you want to know more about our functions, our standard functions, you should definitely reference our KCL docs. You can read them right here. But get common edge takes two faces and it finds the edge in between them. So for segment 01 and segment 02, let's go to these lines. So you have this line right here and this line right here. So this first fillet that's doing a radius of 30 millimeters is saying get common edge of the faces created by segment 1, so this one, this face, and segment 2. And to think about it is that it's the face that's created when the extrusion happened. Then we're just saying get common edge, so hey, take the edge that was created or that's in between these two faces. And it's the same thing for all of them. So if I wanted to fillet, let's say, this edge right here, so I need to figure out which lines these are. So it looks like this is one of them. So I can assign this a tag and say my tag. And then I need to find that other one, which is this one right here. I'll do tag equals my tag, maybe my tag 2. I'll do another get common edge. Let's do comma, get common edge, and then I'll do my tags, my tag and my tag 2. And there is my fillet. Thanks for watching.